Welcome. In this video, I will tell you how to connect your HP OmniBook Flip 5 to a monitor. So there are two ways that you can connect your laptop to a monitor. You have three ports that support monitor connection on the left edge of your laptop. The first one is the HDMI port, and the other two are the USB Type-C ports, and both of them support 10 gigabytes. Both of the USB Type-C ports, they support 10 gigabytes per second transfer, which supports DisplayPort 1.4a connectivity. Therefore, you can either use an HDMI cable and insert one side of it into this port and the other one into your monitor, or you can use a DisplayPort to USB Type-C and insert one side into any available USB Type-C port of your laptop, and the other one will go into your monitor. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is once you connected your laptop to a monitor, is connect a power cable to your monitor and the other side of it into the outlet, because your monitor has to be powered on separately. And once everything is done right, in order to start projecting your device's screen to your monitor, you're either gonna have to press the quick function key, which is F1, which will open the projecting menu on your device. And if it doesn't work by itself, that means that the function keys are set to a different mode on your laptop. And to change this mode, you have to press Fn and Shift button simultaneously. So if you see the LED indicator in the top right corner of the Fn button, that means that your function keys are working in the primary mode, which will not let you. Oh, actually, oh, it does. It still enables. No, yeah, it doesn't. It's just a lag of some kind. So yeah, so if you see the LED indicator on top of your Fn button, then in order to open the projection menu, you're gonna have to press and hold Fn button and press F1 along with it, or you can just press Fn Shift combination and then press F1 by itself. And in this projection menu, you're gonna have to select the respective option. So the respective option of projection. So the first option, which is PC screen only, will not display anything on your monitor. Now, if you select duplicate, it will duplicate the image of your laptop to the monitor. If you select extend, this will extend the image between your laptop and your monitor. And second screen only will only display this image you see in front of you on your monitor, and your laptop's monitor will be black. So yeah, here you just select one of these options, and your display gets duplicated to a monitor. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.